New exhaust Quinto. Oh yeah. If you guys don't know, if you haven't seen the video, I have a little mid pipe installed on my M3. My homie has an M4, and apparently he just got back and did some crazy to it, and apparently it's real loud, and he cut off a bunch of shit under the car. I think he cut off everything. He might have just straight piped everything. I still have my muffler on, so we'll see. Oh no, we'll see what his is sounding like. Oh.
Really? Yo.
Looks like an excited guy.
Dude, you tell me what you think.
Alright.
It's not as loud as the F80 was.
You straight piped your F80 in the same way?
Yeah, same way. But dude, it's grunty. If you get off like the M Sport mode, it stops burbling and everything goes away.
Oh nice, it's still pretty quiet?
Yeah, like so, look, this is non-M mode. See like no burbles.
Yeah.
Watch now.
Nice.
Sound bad, Tilly Willy.
I'm excited. We can, yeah.
It's a chill sound, I like that.
It's not too raspy, it's like right in the middle.
Yeah.
Yeah, it isn't as loud
Yeah,
as I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah, it isn't as louder. It's not as like
No, dude,
raspy.
the
It doesn't sound
the
as
F80 was
shit.
ridiculous. The F80 was ridiculous. Like,
It does sound a little bit more.
the pops are
Yeah.
great. Like the way that it pops on limiter is just like fucking perfect.
What did you do? You just cut off everything?
Yeah.
Back
from
so you
the
just
downpipe?
single, like, is it just cut off, or is there like a tube there still?
Oh, there is a tube.
Oh,
yeah,
there's
it's
metal
just
and shit.
it's just like imagine the cats, the resonator, and the muffler replaced by just a straight tube.
Sexy.
So we have the first cats.
Yeah.
But we don't have anything else.
Ah.
So because we have the first cats, engine check light doesn't come on.
Damn.
And when you're driving
shit,
it's chill, you know, like it's not too bad.
Yeah.
The pops are really nice, dude.
It does sound quite good. It's Illa.
Grunty.
Yeah.
We first cut the muffler off, and I looked at the sound, and it wasn't very different. Like,
just
with the
muffler off?
Yeah, just muffler off. Didn't do jack shit. And then we cut the cats off, and then we cut the resonators off. And I was like, okay, now it's starting to sound real.
Nice. You just did it one by one?
Yeah. Do everything by hand.
It's dusting you.
And then when you're driving like normal, you know, it's like
Yeah, it's pretty chill.
it's nothing too crazy. But you can really hear the pops and all the good shit.
Yeah.
I think it's a perfect balance. Like, fuck spending so much money on an exhaust when this shit gets you the same results, or maybe even better.
Yeah.
Is this legal?
Come on, what a fed.
Look, I'll cancel that. So when you downshift now, you don't get the burbles.
Oh yeah, just a regular. Yeah, it sounds like a little louder. If
Yeah.
anything, that's chill. That's real chill.
Plus, the car is lighter.
Oh yeah. It's
Yeah,
got
because-
some,
yeah.
Yeah.
Which weight is that?
I mean, technically it's in the trunk right now. Right now it's not lighter, but it will be lighter once it's out of the trunk.
Hell yeah.
Like 25, 30 pounds.
Nice.
Because full titanium switch is like 60 pounds lighter or 50 pounds lighter. So this is still stainless steel, but you get rid of all the extra shit. So.
Mexico. Damn. No muffler. Blue tips. Horny guy.
Touch the tips.
Fuck. What the fuck, man? Jesus. Take a little look at this bad boy. Is it really blue? Oh fuck, they are blue. Looks kind of sexy, can't lie. Oh. That's what y'all wanted to hear. That's only to like 2 or 3K, huh? Sounds good. 2K? Shit. That is sounding better than I thought. There was a Honda Accord that ripped it with the shittiest exhaust, and I thought it was gonna sound closer to that. You know, like, I don't know. The F80s definitely, when you straight pipe them, sound a little bit tin canny, sound a little bit aluminum. But this one right here, straight piping the G80 M4s or G82, whatever, it sounds good, man. It sounds real fucking good. Start, man. Let's hear it in the parking garage.
Oh, dude, it's gonna be...
It's not the Type R. Get back here, buddy. Ooh, let's go.
Alright, ready?
Yeah, hit that shit. Hit that shit.
I gotta post a video of that too.
That was nice.
Shit is loud in there.
Yes, my friend. Yes. Yeah. Hey, man.
You know, big anime noises.
Who the fuck is that? Who the fuck is that?
That's what happens if you get your car sounding loud, man. The noises in the passenger seat start sounding like that. That's the one we were looking for right there.
Oh, hello.
We on Rodeo with it, man.
Yeah.
You see the
Oh,
vibes?
hey,
You see the vibes?
That's not how that works.
He's coming back. Aha. What? Oh, it smells crazy. It smells crazy. Let's go.